Hi there, let me show you in this tutorial how you can turn on Do Not Track into the Edge web browser. Not all websites are going to respect the Do Not Track option, but for the ones that do, at least you're going to have the safety or a little bit more safety because they are not going to be able to collect any data from you. And to do that, you want to open your Edge browser, and on the top right corner you want to click into the three dots. Down you're going to see the settings option, click on it, and here on the left side where you see privacy, search and services. Once this new tab is open, you want to scroll a little bit down and right here you're going to see the send do not track request. Right now it's off by default, but you want to turn it on. A small window is going to pop up and this tells you that any effect of turning this on depends on wherever a website responds to the request and how the request is interpreted. This is what I said before, that some websites respect it and some no. And now you have Do Not Track enabled in your Edge browser. That is it for this quick tutorial. If you enjoyed, don't forget to drop a like and to subscribe to the channel for any tech reviews, tech tutorial, tips and everything else that I do right here. Thanks for watching my friends, and like always, see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.